Yo, man, we got something very special in this box right here. You probably already seen by the thumbnail what we have, but I will be announcing a giveaway that I will be doing for these sneakers inside the box. And these things are super early, man. So sit back, relax. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already know we got that box cutter, the knife, the Rambo knife. We have something special to show you guys in the video. Before we do, man, right now what I need you guys to do, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video, especially if you want to hear about this giveaway we're about to be doing for this early sneaker, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up. I appreciate all of the support. This is gonna be my way of giving back to you guys, one lucky winner. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, man, so here we have them. I'm not gonna do too much talking. We go ahead, you know what I'm saying, get inside the box and see what we have. An early look. And I'm not gonna lie, I didn't talk trash about this sneaker before when I first seen the official images, but it's my first time seeing these things in hand. So I'm gonna get my fair assessment of the sneaker, seeing what these things are hitting for, and you know, give you guys my honest take on them. So let's go ahead and pop the box real quick. And yes, sir, we getting into it, bro. You guys see, man, under the box, all white. So let's go ahead and flip it over and see what the actual box looks like. And 3, 2, 1, and check them out, man. Check them out. You guys see what we have. Gold Jumpman up top. You got some, I'm saying, a little 2-3 on the side as well. So that should give away what we have if you don't already know by the thumbnail. And the official size tag colorway reads Air Jordan 11 Retro, white, metallic, gold, and black. They got these things in a size 9, bro. In the size 9, we have these things. So go ahead and flip it open real quick. Let's see what we got, man. Okay. I don't even know what this is, but I'm pretty sure it says something. But go ahead and check that out real quick on the inside of the box. If you guys know what that means, you let me know. Probably reading it upside down or something. I feel like I should know what that means, bro. But you guys see the paper, man. Let's go ahead and peel them open in 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. There we have them, man. The Air Jordan 11 DMP, aka Gratitudes, man. So let's go ahead and flip, you know what I'm saying, the box closed. Check out both the sneakers. So I'll give you guys my honest take, man. Let me give you guys my honest take. And I must say, just off rips, you guys probably don't see the excitement as you did when I pulled out, you know what I'm saying, say for instance, a Palomino one or a Lost and Found one. We just have another 11, bro. And I'm about to go ahead and grab these, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one, man. Let me grab these things real quick, cause I don't think they hitting like I need them to hit, bro. I don't think these things hitting like I need them to. You guys see we have the Concords right here. These dropped back in 20. Oh shit. Oh. Did y'all see that? That's not scripted, bro. I don't know what just happened, but these dropped back in 2018. Loved them. But then you flip over here to the Gratitude 11s, the DMP 11s. You get leather on the upper. So all this right here is leather, and you have this gold pendant, this gold Jumpman right there that actually pops out, and you have the gold 2-3 on the back, man. And I don't know, I'm gonna give my honest opinion real quick. Don't think it's a terrible sneaker at all. I actually think this is a dope sneaker, if I'm being honest. But is this a Jordan 11 I need? Is this a sneaker I need? I look at these and I'm like, I don't need the Gratitude Air Jordan 11s. And I seen, you know what I'm saying, a couple pictures on IG and stuff like that, a couple videos, and something that I noticed, unless I'm tripping, these didn't come with a hang tag, bro. These did not come with a hang tag at all. So I think they kind of deterred away from the whole DMP style with the gold hang tag and all that good stuff. I think it's just a different Jordan 11. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. You guys can let me know. But you didn't get the gold, you know what I'm saying, hang tag. You didn't get the dope box that came with the DMP 11s a while back. And you get something a little bit different, man. Even a carbon fiber down below, it's actually golden black. I don't know what the DMPs looked like back in the day. I do know for the Concords, just regular black and gray. But this right here, you do get the gold hits for the carbon fiber plate. And then the tongue, I ain't gonna lie, bro. The tongue is leather as well. It's not mesh. You got some nice tumble leather, bro. The leather is actually pretty good on the tongue, on the entire sneaker, and even that patent leather, bro. That high cut is definitely on point, I must say, man. And then flipping it to the outsoles, bro. Just gonna flip the outsoles. Check them out. You guys, you got that milky outsole, kind of giving you more of a celish milk, if that makes sense. I'm kind of just making up names for the color of this outsole. But I think it is pretty, you know what I'm saying, pretty dope, bro. But like I said, is this something that I need? I honestly don't know. But I want to see you guys' honest thoughts, comments, reactions down below in the comment section, man. How do you guys feel about these things? Are these a must cop? Is this something you're gonna be doubling up on, or is this something you're gonna be probably passing on? And if I'm being honest, I really think there's gonna be a lot of people that aren't into the Gratitude, the DMP 11 for this year in 2023. I'm just being real. I'm gonna put it out there. I know a lot of people think I say every sneaker is dope, but that's not the case. And it's a proven example right here. I think it's a dope sneaker, but it's not like a must need. It's not like something that you gotta have, if that makes sense. Hopefully I'm putting that out as best as I can so you guys understand where I'm coming from. Dope sneaker, but honestly, I don't need them, bro. So real quick, man, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Air Jordan 6 DMPs. I know y'all see my Crocs, you feel me? I told y'all I don't mind my Crocs. Let me pull these DMP things out real quick. I think I do have the hang, actually I took the hang tag off and I put them on the Concords when I did the first, you know, reaction video to the DMP 11s. But you guys can see, man, you have the Air Jordan 6. This is the DMP. This is the Final Moment Pat DMP 6. Got the gold 2-3 on the back. And I think this is more true to form to the pair that dropped back in what? Oh, I don't even remember what year those dropped, bro. I don't even remember what year the DMP 6s and 11s dropped originally. But I must say, these were a must. Like, I needed to have these. I had nothing as similar to a DMP, you know what I'm saying, 6. So this is something I had to have. And then you get 2023, and you get the Gratitude DMPs right here, man. So like I said, I really am interested in seeing how y'all feel about it. I know I'm not the only one out there that actually don't need these, but I know some people out there that's gonna be all over these Gratitude Air Jordan 11s, man. So let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway over these bad boys. I will be giving away a pair to one lucky supporter in their size. All you have to do is go and comment on my IG reel for these Air Jordan 11 DMPs. You guys will see on my Instagram, which is linked down below. Go ahead and go to that post, follow my IG. On that same post with the DMP 11s, go ahead and tag 3 people and comment your size. And of course, got to be subscribed to the channel, man. So I hope you guys do take full advantage of it. I'm running down it one more time. Go to my IG, make sure you follow my Instagram. Go find the post over these Air Jordan 11 DMPs. I will have it pinned. Go to that post, comment your size, and tag 3 friends. Course, like the post, you have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. That's going to enter you a chance to win a pair of these clean Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, man. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. I hope y'all enjoyed this early look. You guys know every time I do get the opportunity to get a pair early, I try to do that for you guys. So I hope y'all do enjoy it. And if you did, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell and please leave a huge like on today's video. I can't wait to do this giveaway. We're gonna be live on YouTube actually doing a wheel of all the people that enter for these Air Jordan 11s. I'm gonna give away live. So you guys, it's real. It's a real giveaway. And we're probably gonna be on another giveaway for the Cherry 12s here shortly. So just stay tuned for all that stuff. I got you guys. Definitely wanna get back to the Vintage Squad. You guys support me so much and I greatly appreciate it, man. Again, thanks for pulling up. And yeah, we just showed the DMP Gratitude 11, which will be releasing this upcoming December. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.